Welcome back to Owen's Homestead down here in Growing Zone 7B, Tennessee. Thank y'all for tuning in. Today I want to show y'all some stuff that I received from Temu, however you want to say it. Yeah, from joining their affiliate program. I was able to get this merchandise. This right here is a tripod stand for a tablet. You see, it's pretty tall. Also got, we come with the carrying case for the tripod. Also got this something right here, boy. I think I needed it in a couple of videos ago. Seed starting heating mats. Somebody was listening. Thank you, Temu. Oh. Game changer. It's not only one. It's two of them. Look at the size. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Game changer. Game changer. Really gonna be a game changer when getting them seeds, them cuttings. That's, yeah. Get them cuttings to root. And that ain't all. Frost protection. Oh, insect netting. Insect netting is what this is. And it's a lot. It's going to help for your greens and your brassicas. Stuff that ain't got to have a pollinator. Greens, brassicas, carrots, stuff like that. Yeah. So just to throw over something. And it's a lot. There's in here too. Nice. Thank you. That's not it. It also comes take y'all down a little bit. Excuse the room. It's kind of my weight rooms, nursery room, wife's crafting room. It's all in one. Yeah, we got some seed starting trays. And these is not any type of seed starting trays. They got the little domes on them with the remote lights for each one. Look at these lights. Little lights with each connection. Game changer. Thank you. Game changer. We actually gonna be putting these to the test here in a little bit because we got some tomato plants, some cucumbers is already sprouted, coming up great, so we gotta get them transplanted. So yeah, but that's not all. That's not all. Move this over here out of the way. Come with another little bag. Gloves come in that. Little pruners. Some nice pruners. More pruners. That's his and hers. Oh yeah. This is hers. Yes sir. So that's $30. One nice size. And that's not it. There's something else in this bag. This is for your cukes, tomatoes, stuff like that that lines up. You just strawberries. Hey, perfect. Thank you. That's still not all. Look at these. With the little dome on them. Quite a bit with the little dome. Yeah, that's nice. And that's it. That is what I got from joining Temu affiliate program. They give you a credit of like, and then you can go out and pick how much you want, what you want with that credit, and you just share links. And you also receive 10% commission if somebody click on your link and do the same or purchase anything. So yeah, it helps the channel out. I appreciate y'all watching. Once again, this is Odom Homestead down here in Growing Zone 7B, Tennessee. And you know what I always say, growing is my passion. Y'all stay blessed. Y'all have a blessed Saturday.